What is up, guys? Today, crazy day. Alright, so for the past like 2 weeks, I've been sick. I don't want to say it on YouTube because they don't like it, but today is the day the Mustang is finally done. I've been waiting for this moment for 2 weeks, but I'm about to go get a battery for it because the battery's bad, and then I'm gonna go pick it up from my painter who put everything together and painted it. So yeah, let's go to O'Reilly's. I finally did it after about an hour, 45 minutes of trying to get this battery out. This one wouldn't come off, almost broke the whole battery. That one came off easy, and then this bolt that holds the battery down got stuck. So let's go grab that new battery real quick. It's a GT.
Yeah, GT. There's a GT Premium and a GT 50 years limited edition.
Just a regular GT, yeah.
Regular GT.
Yeah, GT Premium is just
Only listing I have for it is you got an account with this or just a phone number?
Yeah. What's phone number, yeah.
Oh, just phone. Okay, I got it for $149.99 with a 2-year warranty.
Okay, yeah.
Just sold one of those, nothing.
cool. What?
Good. You buy those for about $4,500.
That's not bad.
So
it's nice. What is up, guys? So as y'all can tell, the weather is absolutely beautiful today, and it's like 6 o'clock, 6:15 right now. 6 degrees, sunny, and me and my brother are about to go on the Mustang right now. It's very filthy, as y'all can see. Look at all that dust built up in there. Clean these wheels up, and yeah, I'll see y'all at the car wash.
Worldwide, I'm a young nigga. Stressed all week, never thought I would deliver. The cold getting close, all my niggas gon' shiver. I'm a motherfucking king to the bitch when I'm with her. Mama's boy, I'm a mama's boy. Been hiding the names, no summer boy. So close, can't you smell the aroma, boy? I play along, but I really ain't that kind of boy, yeah. I'm the type of kid that makes you think about your life. Type of kid to take your wife. Give no fuck, she'll take my pipe, yeah. Cosign, fuck a cosign. All gays, nigga, I'm the alumni. Yeah. Straight calling all the hoes where they at. About 100K if that ass stay fat. Stay down, never fucking with a pack full of niggas claiming that they really wanna say a fact. So fly with my own white shoes. Fuck that nigga, put you in a snooze. I never really wanna give you any clues, man. Stay back and we all just cruise. Side bitch for the foreplay. About 100,000 niggas coming my way. Cut, you really down, man, I must say. She wanna try to tell me that I got no way. Drop that shit, bitch, lay back down. I'ma sip these shots, fuck with a real nigga.
I can never do enough. I'm breaking your chin, I came here to win. I'm killing you sharks, I'm cutting your fins. I'm breaking the silence, I stay with a grin. You staying behind me, fuck out of my lens. I came with a smile, I'm killing forget. I'm way past the line, see I don't forgive. I got an appetite for destruction. I'm on a warpath that I'm gunning. Bitch, you can see me from a fucking mile away. I ain't scared, you know I'm coming. All this trouble shit ain't new to me. $500,000 on these lawyer fees. 7 years, bitch, still on my feet. Let's go to the toe, let's see who bleeds. Hey, only option is to run it. Don't step in it, let's
Alright guys, it is actually like maybe a week later since I did the little B-roll and stuff like that. I just kind of got busy with a lot of other stuff. Car was dirty after that, so I cleaned it today. Not the inside, I still need to clean the inside, but I'll do that off camera. But the car is done, as y'all can see right here. I got back from getting some professional pictures. I went downtown like 4 or 5 spots. If y'all are in Louisville, check out Trey Coleman Photos. He's pretty good. Do some donuts and stuff, you know. I mean, we did that in Mexico, you know. We did that in Mexico. Basically, I'm gonna, you know, use those good pictures that he did, take some few of them myself, you know, videos and stuff, and I'm gonna put up for sale. It's going up for sale. You know, next project's coming soon. Stay tuned for that. If you guys stayed for the whole video, I appreciate it a lot. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
Again.